जय स्वामीनारायण. Standard 6 English medium. Last period we discussed adverb. Today we will discuss next adverb forms. Adverb forms. Number 1, simple adverb. Simple adverb. There are adverbs made up of single words. These are adverbs made up of single words. single word से जो शब्द बनता है इसको सिंपल एडवर्ब बोलते हैं. एग्जाम्पल, नाउ, देन, हियर, देयर, yet, well, still, again, soon, to, up, and just. Compound adverb. Compound adverb. These are adverbs. These are adverbs made up of two or more words दो शब्द से बनता एडवर्ब. therefore, sometimes दो वर्ड से बनता है. देयर और फॉर, सम और टाइम, meanwhile, now, here, otherwise, notwithstanding. तीन वर्ड से बनता है. नॉट, विथ और स्टैंडिंग तीन वर्ड से बनने वाला एडवर्ब है. एक, दो और तीन वर्ड से बनने वाला एडवर्ब है. प्लीज राइट डाउन इन योर नोटबुक. सिंपल एडवर्ब वन वर्ड से बनने वाले एडवर्ब, टू और टू से ज़्यादा वर्ड से बनने वाले एडवर्ब है. Derived adverb. These are adverbs. These are adverbs formed from adjectives. This always, this always end in ly, ly. FAIR, फेयर मीन्स अच्छा, फेयरली अच्छी रीत, फेयर ली एडजेक्टिव से बनते हैं. एंटायर, एंटायर मीन्स पूरा, एंटायरली. लेजी, LAZY, वाई के जगह LAZILY. ब्यूटीफुली, अनफॉर्चुनेटली, लकीली, merrily, politically, please write down. These words are adjective. We use ly and made adverb. Now we write some more example. Any, anywhere, fun, FUNNY, funny, FUNNILY, FORE, therefore, easy, easily, magic, magically, where, everywhere, everywhere. Please write down some more example. Truthful, truthfully, unreasonable, unreasonable, unreasonably, time, timely, happy, happily, quick, quickly, together, all together, sure, surely, late, later. Please write down all the adverbs and learn all the adverb in next. My dear friends, please write down in your notebook noun, adjective, adverb, pronoun, preposition. All of you know all the chapters are including English grammar. Sometimes we do not know what is adjective, what is noun, what is pronoun. So please, these types of format draw in your notebook, and in a week practice, please write down noun. Second day, please write down an adjective. Please write down an adverb. Please write down pronoun. All these types of grammar chapter we know carefully. And after in standard 7, teacher asked to you, what is noun? Please give an example. What is an adjective? Please give example. What is adverb? What is pronoun? What is preposition? All these types of chapters are detailed study in next standard. So in standard 6, if you know very well what is noun, what is adjective, what is pronoun, which word used in noun and which word used in an adjective, please write and learn all this chapter of detail. And if you want to see more example, please see YouTube and write how many noun, how many adjectives, and so many videos. You can see it and learn it. Jai Swami.